permanent teeth in our mouth and 20 milk teeth in our mouth. So, now I am going to make it. For that, I need some chopped garlic for the teeth, to one shape clay for the jaw, for decorating some heart-shaped clay, a sketch pen or roller, etc. First, for making the milk teeth, I am using this red jaw. I am making it a little more long. Now, with help of my roller, I will roll it lightly but a little hardly. And now, I am going to make it like a U shape. So I made the U shape. Now as I made the jaw of the milk teeth, I am making the jaw of the permanent teeth also. With the same way I will make it long. I will roll it little and use both of my hands. Now I am going to do this like U shape also. So this is my milk teeth jaw. This is my permanent teeth jaw. Now I am going to stick the teeth. So first I will stick the flat teeth of our teeth. They are in the front of our teeth. So in front of our teeth, I am going to stick four flat teeth. Now I am going to stick the rest of the teeth. So I am going to stick the rest of the teeth by pressing it a little. Now I have made it too small, so it made in small place. But now I am going to write the names of the teeth. So this first four teeth are the flat teeth. Flat teeth. And these are the simple teeth, which look in same shape, size and color. So they are known as similar teeth. So I write here teeth. Similar teeth. And I will write here milk teeth. Now I am going to do the permanent teeth in the same way. But here I am writing first permanent teeth. Permanent. P E R M E N E N T. Permanent teeth. T E E T H. Permanent teeth. Now I am going to first stick the flat teeth. So I have to stick it closely because there are 35, 32 teeth in permanent teeth. My one teeth of milk teeth has fallen, so I am putting it again. Now I have put on the flat teeth. I am now only writing flat. F L A T. Flat teeth. T E E T H. Flat teeth. Now I have to sharpen teeth for the pointed teeth. So I will stick it. I will stick it also. Now I will stick the 4 premolars. So I am putting these premolars. So I have done, and I left 6 molars. So I will stick them also. So I've completed. Just I have to write the names of the teeth, and then I have to just decorate it. These are the flat teeth. These are the 2 pointed teeth. P O I N T E D. Pointed teeth. T E E T H. Pointed teeth. Now these 2 are the molar, and this 6 are the molars. One teeth is fallen from the premolars. I am sticking it again, and I have done. Now I will decorate this. First, in every corner I will give these hearts. First yellow, then green. Like this, I will give each corner to decorate. Yellow, green, and now this corner left, and I decorate this. Now I am keeping it here, 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 and here. So I have also given the edges. I have left with 4. So I will decorate here with these. So I have prepared my pomade teeth and milk teeth with help of chopped garlic, my sketch pen, clays like yellow, green, red, orange, etc. A roller, a cookie cutter, etc. Thank you.